Once upon a time, in a cosmic playground known as our solar system, there was a mysterious celestial body named Pluto. Pluto had an interesting history, full of twists and turns. In the early days, Pluto was celebrated as the ninth planet in the solar system, the distant and enigmatic cousin of the other planets that orbited our radiant sun. It was an intriguing world, far away from the hustle and bustle of the inner planets. You see, Pluto lived in a unique neighborhood called the Kuiper Belt, where hundreds of thousands of icy rocks and trillions of comets roamed freely. It was like a cosmic party zone, and Pluto was the biggest guest, proudly flaunting its dwarf planet status. But then, in the year 2006, something dramatic happened. Pluto's life took a sudden twist. It got demoted. Yes, you heard it right. Pluto was no longer considered a full-fledged planet. Instead, it became the largest known dwarf planet in the solar system. This decision sent shockwaves through the scientific community and even among space enthusiasts. Many were puzzled and wondered why Pluto had to take a step back from the planetary stage. Pluto's story began with a brilliant American astronomer named Percival Lowell, who had a keen eye for the cosmic mysteries. He noticed something odd about the movements of Neptune and Uranus, like they were dancing to a hidden tune. Lowell had a hunch that another celestial player was at work, a planet lurking in the shadows. In 1915, Lowell boldly predicted where this hidden world might be, but he never got to witness its discovery. He passed away 15 years before Pluto's grand entrance. It was Clyde Tombaugh, a dedicated astronomer, who finally unveiled Pluto's presence in 1930. Tombaugh's discovery was based on Lowell's predictions and the work of other astronomers who believed in Pluto's existence. Pluto needed a name, and that's where a young girl from Oxford, England, named Venetia Burney, came into the picture. At just 11 years old, she suggested that this newfound world be named after the Roman god of the underworld, Pluto. Her suggestion sailed across the cosmic seas, and Pluto officially became its name. But here's the cosmic twist. For the longest time, we thought Pluto was the odd one out in the Kuiper Belt, a lone wanderer in the vastness of space. However, as astronomers explored the Kuiper Belt and other celestial neighborhoods like the asteroid belt, they discovered something surprising. Turns out, Pluto had quite a few cosmic cousins, more similar to itself than the other planets. It was a revelation. To make sense of this cosmic family, astronomers needed a clear definition of what makes a planet. So they came up with 3 rules. First, a celestial object must orbit the sun. Second, it should be massive enough to shape itself into a roughly spherical form. Pluto easily checked these 2 boxes. But here's where Pluto didn't quite fit the bill. The third rule stated that a planet should clear its orbit of any similar-sized objects. Unfortunately for Pluto, even its own moon, Charon, was nearly half its size. So, in 2006, Pluto was reclassified as the king of the dwarf planets, still special, but in a unique category of its own. It was a big change for a small world, but Pluto continued to twirl around the sun, part of the ever-fascinating cosmic dance in our solar system. In 2015, a brave traveler from Earth, NASA's New Horizons space probe, embarked on a daring journey to uncover Pluto's secrets. Pluto, a dwarf planet, is a chilly place, and astronomers believed it had an intriguing makeup. Deep within its core, there's likely a solid rock heart. Surrounding that core lies a hidden ocean of water, nestled beneath a thick layer of frozen water ice. And on the surface, there's a captivating crust made of various ices, mainly nitrogen ice, with towering mountains of water ice and hints of methane and carbon monoxide ices. For years, Pluto's true nature remained elusive, as it's incredibly distant from Earth. But New Horizons changed all that. It revealed Pluto's petite size, with a diameter of just 1,473 miles, 2,370 kilometers, less than a fifth of Earth's diameter and only about 2/3 the width of our moon. As New Horizons journeyed closer, it unveiled Pluto's remarkable features: enormous mountains, towering as high as 11,000 feet, 3,500 meters, adorned its surface. But there was a mystery here. How could icy materials like methane and nitrogen support such colossal peaks? The answer lay in a bedrock of water ice beneath. Pluto's surface was an icy wonderland dominated by methane ice, but with intriguing variations in how it reflected light. Some regions had unique patterns resembling snakeskin, unlike anything seen on Earth. And then there was the famous heart of Pluto, unofficially named Tombaugh Regio, after Clyde Tombaugh, Pluto's discoverer. One side of this heart was coated in carbon monoxide ice, while other parts contained different surface materials, adding to Pluto's enigmatic charm. Deep within Tombaugh Regio was a place called Sputnik Plam, a strikingly smooth region. What set it apart was the absence of craters, suggesting youthfulness in geological terms, perhaps no older than 100 million years. It was as if this area was still being sculpted by unseen forces. Pluto had more surprises up its icy sleeve. Icy plains revealed mysterious dark streaks, hinting at wind-driven phenomena on this distant world. And the Hubble Space Telescope provided a tantalizing clue. Complex organic molecules might lurk beneath Pluto's crust. But Pluto's cold heart revealed more. Its surface was one of the chilliest spots in our solar system, with temperatures plummeting to a bone-chilling -375 to -400 degrees Fahrenheit, -226 to -240 degrees Celsius. Over time, it even appeared to change color, growing redder, possibly due to the shifting seasons. Beneath its icy exterior, Pluto had a secret. Scientists pondered the existence of a subsurface ocean, a hidden realm that could have influenced Pluto's history. This subsurface ocean might have caused Pluto's orientation to shift, a cosmic dance driven by the sheer weight of the ice in a region known as Sputnik Planitia. Pluto's unique orbit was another fascinating aspect. It ventured far beyond Neptune, our solar system's 8th planet, for 20 years during its 248-year-long journey around the Sun. This eccentric orbit provided astronomers with a rare opportunity to study this cold, distant wanderer. Pluto's rotation added to its intrigue, spinning backward from east to west, unlike its planetary counterparts. And when Pluto approached the Sun, its icy surface would briefly thaw, forming a delicate atmosphere of nitrogen and methane, extending much higher than Earth's due to Pluto's weak gravity. Pluto might have even experienced howling winds during this brief atmospheric existence. And long ago, when it had a thicker atmosphere, rivers of liquid might have flowed across its surface, leaving traces of a distant past. Pluto had 5 moons, with Charon as its closest companion. Charon's orbit was unlike any other moon. It and Pluto circle a point in space between them, creating a unique dance. The other 4 moons might have formed during a colossal collision, including the discovery of Kerberos and Styx in 2011 and 2012, respectively. New Horizons, the brave traveler from Earth, embarked on this epic journey in 2006. It carried the ashes of Pluto's discoverer, Clyde Tombaugh, as it ventured into the unknown. It was a perilous mission, for scientists knew very little about the Pluto system. But New Horizons was prepared. It returned the first close-up images of Pluto and its moons in 2021, revealing a world full of surprises, a place where mysteries and wonders continue to captivate our imaginations. Pluto, the distant enigma, may be small in size, but it's grand in its cosmic allure, a testament to the boundless wonders of our solar system. And there you have it, the captivating tale of Pluto and Charon. We'd love to hear from you. What fascinated you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cosmic wonders. Your support fuels our exploration of the universe. Thanks for joining us.